The Roulette Assist is designed for players of roulette to monitor and manage the statistics of the game. Both professional players and beginners can benefit from the application, as the statistics management is an essential tool if you want to be successful in roulette. We offer the players a trial version completely free of charge and without any additional fees to test its full capabilities and subsequently decide whether to use it and in which way. Each player is able to find his way in our application, which will highlight the possibilities of how and where he can easily place his bet and win. Nobody can outwit roulette, and there is no program that would guarantee a certain income, unless it is a fraud. Roulette is always operated by a croupier who determines the game. A real player must wait for his chance, and this app will help him not to miss it. It is used to record the history of individual croupiers and their style. For example, whether the croupier favors a certain place on the roulette wheel, long series of one color, odd or even numbers, etc., so that they cannot surprise the player by their specific games. Thanks to the Roulette Assist, the player realizes that it is possible to monitor several gameplay options and then execute them. Literally, he does not miss a thing. There is only a necessity to have patience and attack the winning numbers at the right moment. We strongly recommend keeping statistics for each croupier separately. By using our Roulette Assist, the player can see which numbers occur the most during the specific game. That is odd even, low 1 to 18, high 19 to 36, red, black, and dozens, marked as 1, 2, 3, ABC. He can highlight his favorite croupier over whom he won. He can also look into the history of all past numbers and evaluate other options. The application can notify the player of the numbers which have not fallen for a long time, while the player himself determines which criteria are going to be monitored and when he should be notified. The same applies vice versa. An interesting and functional part is the history of numbers, which the player records and manages himself. It clearly shows the colors, dozens, low and high, odd and even numbers in respect of quantity and recurring events which appeared during the game. Perhaps the biggest advantage of our application is customization. The player can set up the application options based on his needs, which will more likely lead him to victory in his selected games. Finally, we would like to mention that the application was developed with the help and support of actual professional roulette players who not only enjoy playing roulette, but also make their living by it. We wish you good luck. Warning: our application is not recommended to be used for the statistics of the game of electronic roulette. It was created for the real game.